Seriously, you don't think you can qualify to buy a home? Have you been throwing money away on rent because you don't think you can qualify for a loan? Well, you may have to think about it again. When it comes to purchasing a home, many people get their information from family or friends. Nothing against that. While they may have your best interests at heart, the information may not always be accurate. Hi, I'm Carolyn Alaverdian from Real Estate by Carolyn over at eXp Realty. Just like fashion, the real estate and mortgage industry constantly change. If your information is not coming from a qualified lender, it could be inaccurate. There are several types of loans, and each one has its own rules. FHA loans are one of the easiest to qualify for and require as little as 3.5% down payment. It may be possible to obtain an FHA loan with a credit score as low as 500. VA loans require no money down. There is no minimum credit score to qualify, and you don't have to pay mortgage insurance. USDA loans are designed for rural homeowners with limited income who cannot obtain conventional financing. They don't even require down payment. They typically require a credit score of 640, but some lenders will go as low as 580. Conventional loans normally have more relaxed requirements and typically put 20% down and require a minimum credit of 620. For more information about buying a home, click the link below. I'll get you the information that you need. The best part, it doesn't cost you a penny, but it may save you thousands of dollars. Thank you so much for watching. This is Carolyn Alaverdian from Real Estate by Carolyn over at eXp Realty.